Welcome back to Bhargav Shorthand Classes. Till now, we have discussed about initial vowels and alternative forms very comfortably. Especially with respect to alternative forms, it is only restricted to far, var, thar, dhar with R hook, and for L hook, fal and val. In case of L hook, fal and val, while standing alone, no chance for writing alternative forms. Alternative forms of fal and val are written only after k, g, n and re. Right? Now we are going one step ahead again with intervening vowels. We have already studied intervening vowels while studying vowels. A third place vowel occurring between two strokes occupies the place of preceding side of second stroke. This is what is intervening vowel. Now, the intervening vowel now comes in the intervening vowels. The concept of intervening vowel here is a vowel occurring between initial hook and consonant is called intervening vowel. Right? A vowel occurring between initial hook and the consonant. In such a case, case 1, if the vowel is dot, then it is represented by a small circle smaller than circle S at its respective vowel place. If it is first place, it will be on the top. Second place, middle. Third place, at the end. But it is represented by a. Let us write an example. Barley. If we write bar L, this may be brawl, brawly. Okay, vowel is also there, so there is no chance for brawl. It is brawly, right? This represents brawly or abrali, something like that. But this will not be representing as barley. So, to represent this vowel sound we are placing a small circle at the first place. That makes that there is a vowel between initial hook and the consonant. Shar P, first place dot. Narrate. Nar T, first place, small circle. Right? Let us take challenge. Chal N J, challenge. Circle on the left side, dot here. challenge. Got it? Dark, darke, park. That's while we were writing P-R-A-K. Now, K, park. We'll discuss there. There can be third place. Engineer, engineer, near. So, N, J, ner. Engineer, third place here. Narki between N and R. So that is third place. Don't say that it is following. It is third place for engineer. As well for atmosphere. TM circle is for at fear. Circle at the third place. Got it? Now, second one. If the vowel is dash, it is represented by a cut with the dash vowel at its respective vowel place. Right? Correct. Kar, K, T. First place we'll cut it. Collect. Kal, K, T. First place. Cut it. Purge. Per, J. Second place. Cut it. Right? Purchase. Per, J. Circles. Cut it. Furnace. Furnace. Cut it. F-O-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Farmer. First place, cut it. In case of F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer, to differentiate, for this it is F-R-A-M-E-R, farmer. In case of F-O-R-M-E-R, farmer, farmer or later we will say, right? There it is, farmer. In case of third, in case of U diphthong, only U diphthong, no other diphthongs can occur as intervening. In case of U diphthong, we shall cut the stroke finally. U diphthong is a final, third place. So finally with U diphthong. Especially for our pronunciation of char, that is Ture. For this we will say ture. So actually it is ture. So we will write it tur and cut it with diphthong so that becomes ture. Capture. Ture. It is ture actually. Capture. But we will say capture. So KP tur. Cut it with diphthong. Capture. Literature. Tur. Literature. L tur. Diphthong. So cut చేద్దాం. Literature. Got it? This is what is intervening vowels.